Hi, this is Leslie Langnaw, Managing Editor of Design World Magazine. I'm here at MD&M West with Stuart McDougall of Renishaw, and we're here to talk about the new Explorer device. So Stuart, tell me a little bit about this device.
Okay, the Equator is our new device that we brought out, and everybody thinks it looks like a CMM, but it's not. What it is a gauge. It's a measuring gauge, for measuring fixed gauging. And what we're doing here is going around the part and just measuring diameters and lengths and between the two circles, between the two holes. What we have on here, we put a part on here, we work off a master. So it's not like a CMM. We take a master, we measure it from a program, put it on this plate, press a button and measure it. You can take the part straight off your machine, put it on there and measure it. Take the pallet off, put another type of part on, select it on the PC there and measure another part. What it does is people with production parts that can take it off and measure it right there at the machine, and if there's something wrong with it, it can make the corrections for it in the machine automatically. Yeah.
How does it make corrections to the part?
Because it would be connected to the controller of the CNC machine that makes the part, and it would know the plus and minus, the tolerances, and therefore would make a correction for it. And then it could carry on. So between the CNC machine and this, they could work lights out 24/7.
So it communicates back to the controller?
Absolutely, yes. And then makes the corrections for you and then carries on. Or it could stop in case something's broken, it would do that also.
Okay. Now, why did you guys decide to do this unique arrangement of axes?
Well, because that's the way they designed it. Everybody's got a Me Too, you know, with the Cartesian X, Y, and Z.
Right.
The way this does it, this can scan also, and it makes it can go faster, and it's not having to go in an XYZ movement. So it's actually scanning. It can take 1,000 points per minute. Parts too, it can do flat parts, any 3D part or flat parts, it can do anything that's on here.
Whereas with some of the other ones, you're kind of limited to the parts you can measure.
Correct, and if you're fed up with it, you take it off, bring another part in. You could have 12 pallets or 12 machines in a row, and just change the pallet out and change the part that you're actually measuring.
So this is really set up for an assembly line kind of an operation.
It can be for assembly or for short production runs, correct. But if anybody's got parts, they want to measure them all, or they want to measure, you know, the proverbial 1 in 10, they can do it with this.
Okay.
And they get a full 3D report back to it, on the PC back to it. You can print out all your details, convert it into Excel, SPC style, anything that you want.
Okay. Now, are there any limitations to using this?
Well, right now, just basically the size. That's a good question, by the way. I wasn't expecting that. Right now, with the size of it, it's got a 12-inch diameter area just now to measure from, and that's one of the things. But we will be making larger ones in the future, but I didn't say that because we don't have them out yet.
Okay.
But right now, we've got the 12 by 12, which actually works off a 12-inch diameter area. But as you can see, for most parts, it's more than enough. It's very quick, and it's priced right in there.
So what is the price?
You can have it for, no other people tell you the prices. For under $30,000, you can have this on your floor tomorrow morning.
That's
up and running.
With
it's
a lot
very
of
good.
CMMs, yeah.
Yeah.
Excellent.
One phone call and we're here.
Alrighty.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
My name's Stuart McDougall from Renishaw, and thank you very much for interviewing me.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Bye-bye.